Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Sisu and set up your account. First, it's important to know that there are two versions of Sisu, Sisu Classic and Sisu Next. While both are available, we will focus on Sisu Next, which can be accessed by clicking the blue button within the platform. Once logged in, the first step is to configure your profile. Go to Accounts, select Profile, and complete all the required information. Check your name, add your phone number if it's missing, select the appropriate time zone, and change the default landing page option to Record, as it makes accessing key information easier. Next, make sure to input a mailing address. This address will be used as a reference in case a commission check needs to be sent, although it won't always be required. You'll also need to adjust the cap amount based on your needs, ensuring that the date is set to January 1st of the following year. The same applies to the royalty cap, which is typically set at $500. Remember to update the date for this amount as well. This ensures the values align with the system's requirements and the upcoming fiscal year. Lastly, you'll see the broker team percentage and agent speed percentage fields. These don't need any changes as they vary with each transaction. Just confirm that all other details are correct and save your changes. Once these steps are completed, your profile will be ready to work efficiently with Sisu. On the left-hand side, within the first tab, you'll find quick actions for managing your profile. The first option is the Add Transaction button. This allows you to quickly add a new transaction, whether it's for a seller or a buyer, and create it seamlessly. It's important to note that a transaction is not just a single event. It also encompasses client information and activity. For example, you can manage quick actions like setting up an appointment. If you have a client, you can search for their name under the Appointment Set option, select their profile, choose a date for the appointment, and click Submit. This saves the appointment details for the client. Below this, you'll see a daily activity log. This feature helps you track the progress of your goals. While we'll explore goal setting in another video, this section is where you can record daily activities, such as conversations held throughout the day, messages sent, emails sent, calls made, exercises completed, meditation time, hours worked, transactions added to Sisu, clients contacted, or hours spent at open houses. Each entry corresponds to daily activities, making it a valuable tool for maintaining accountability and productivity. By using the Record tab effectively, you can stay organized and maintain a clear overview of your performance and interactions. This is a crucial step in ensuring your workflow is streamlined and goal-oriented. On the left-hand side, you'll also find the Dashboards tab. The first option is a dashboard that can be filtered either by the MVT team or on a personal level. These graphs are customizable, allowing you to view monthly or annual data based on your preferences. The MVT team dashboard, for example, displays pie charts that provide an overview of team goals and achievements so far. You can also see an annual numeric graph and an activity chart, all of which can be adjusted to display data for specific time ranges or periods. In the Personal Dashboard section, you can track your individual performance as an agent. This includes the goals you've set for yourself and a detailed annual manual graph of your numbers. Additionally, at the top, you'll see your cap information, which depends on the initial account setup. For example, if the royalty cap of $500 has been fully paid, it will show as 100% complete. Meanwhile, the brokerage cap, such as $15,000, might show partial progress. For instance, $500 paid, representing 3.33% completion, with $14,500 remaining. This section provides a quick summary of your financial progress. Lastly, the Activity Dashboard compiles all the actions recorded from the Record tab. It includes details like conversations, text messages, and other activities logged, alongside the goals set for tracking progress. This dashboard serves as a central place to monitor your performance and ensures you stay on track with your targets. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you next time.